Hello, children. How are you? Oh, it's too hot. Are you enjoying your classes? Yes, I know. Can you guess what we are going to learn today? Okay. Before we go into the lesson, let's do an activity. Cheer up, children. Children, combine the two pictures and make a new word. Can you guess the word? I know you will find out. We have learned this in the lower classes. It's fun to make two words one. The first one is hand plus bag makes handbag. The second one, rain plus coat makes raincoat. The third one is sea plus horse makes seahorse. Next is pan plus cake makes pancake. Children, we are going to do another activity. In this box, you can see some words. Can you combine two words together and frame a new word? Yes, I have found out 6 words. If you also have found out, give a thumbs up. The first word is no one, everybody, sometime, without, daylight, whole life. Now you have guessed about today's lesson. Yes, it is a compound word. What is a compound word? A compound word is a combination of two or more words put together to make a new word with a new meaning. And there are 3 types. The first one is closed compound words. These are formed when two unique words are joined together without space. For example, flower pots or cupboard. There is no space between two words. Next one is open compound words. These have a space between the two words, but when they are read together, it gives a new meaning. For example, footsteps. The next one is hyphenated compound words. These are connected by a hyphen. For example, red-handed, daughter-in-law. You can see a hyphen in between two words. Children, another one. Look at the sentences. Read the sentences and find out the compound word. We put the books on the big yellow bookshelf. Jess picks up seashells on the beach. The popcorn is popping and smells good. I write about school in my notebook. My dad loves to watch soccer and baseball. The cowboy was riding a horse. It is very important to always eat breakfast. We had ham and pineapple on our pizza. Is there anything I can help you with? My little sister plays on a sandbox a lot. Children, can you guess the compound word in these sentences? Yes, the first one is bookshelf. And in the second sentence, seashells. Third one is popcorn, notebook, baseball, cowboy, breakfast, pineapple, anything. Children, look at the sentences. Today, we are going to learn 8 different combination of compound words. The first one is noun plus noun, noun plus verb, verb plus noun, preposition plus noun, gerund plus noun, noun plus gerund, adjective plus preposition plus noun, noun plus preposition plus noun. You know what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. What is a verb? All action words are verb. What is preposition? The position of noun. What is an adjective? All describing words are adjective. What is gerund? Adding ing in the verb. Sometimes it will act as a noun or an adjective. Now first we are going to learn noun plus noun. Moon plus light makes moonlight. Here moon is a noun and light is also a noun. The second word is police plus man makes policeman. Police is a noun and man is also a noun. The next one is kitchen plus garden makes kitchen garden. Kitchen is also a noun and garden is also a noun. Next is table plus tennis makes table tennis. Table is a noun and tennis is a noun. The next one is chess plus board. Chessboard. Chess is a noun and board is also a noun. Next we are going to see noun plus verb. Mouth plus wash makes mouthwash. Here mouth is a noun and wash is a verb. Back plus bite makes backbite. Can you see the hyphen there? The next one is sun plus rise, sunrise. Blood plus count makes blood count. Book plus sheller makes bookseller. Next we are going to see verb plus noun. Watch plus man makes watchman. Play plus ground makes playground. Wash plus room makes washroom. Stop plus clock makes stop clock. Call plus taxi makes call taxi. Here all the first words are verb and the second words are noun. Next we are going to see preposition plus noun. We know what is a preposition. Preposition means position of noun. Over plus coat makes overcoat. Under plus take makes undertake. In plus sight makes insight. Out plus come makes outcome. Under plus estimate makes underestimate. Here all the first words are preposition and the second words are noun. Next we are going to see gerund plus noun. Adding ing in the verb is called gerund. The first word is bleaching plus powder. Bleaching powder. Walking plus stick makes walking stick. Drawing plus room makes drawing room. Visiting plus card makes visiting card. Dining plus table is dining table. Now look at the first words. All the verbs are having ing. The next one we are going to learn is noun plus gerund. We know what is a noun. All naming words are noun. House plus keeping makes housekeeping. Book plus binding makes book binding. Mind plus reading makes mind reading. Bird plus watching makes bird watching. Time plus consuming makes time consuming. Next we are going to learn adjective plus preposition plus noun. What is an adjective? Adjective is a describing the noun. Good for nothing. Afraid of him. Fond of her. Married to him. Angry at her. Look at the first word. All are adjective. And the center word is preposition. And the last word is noun. Here instead of noun, pronoun is used. The last one is noun plus preposition plus noun. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, birds of prey, sister-in-laws. Can you see the hyphen there? Children, let's recap the new lesson. Form compound words from the boxes given below and fill in the blanks with appropriate compound words. Just find out. The first sentence, the government expects every individual to promptly pay the dash. Never wait for an dash to wake you up. The children were late to school as there was a new dash near the toll plaza. Siva visited the hairstylist to have a clean dash. Devi had given the saris for dash. Did you find out the answers? I hope you all were enjoying this class. Children, do the test and play Kahoot. We are looking forward for your answers. Enjoy learning. Thank you.